So today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to pay for your Cukai Petak to the Pejabat Tanah dan Galian Selangor or PTG Selangor. So if you own a strata titled property, whether it's a townhouse, apartment or condo, you will be paying a Cukai Petak to the PTG Selangor. And here I have with me a sample copy of the Cukai Petak. If you own a property in Petaling Jaya or Selangor area, whether it's a landed property or condo or apartment, or you want to own a property and want more information on real estate, investment and finance, hit the like button and subscribe below.
So now we are in the portal e-Hasil where we can make payment for the Cukai Tanah and Cukai Petak or quit rent. So to go to the portal e-Hasil, you can search for ehasil.selangor.gov.my. So now we're going to make payment by clicking the top left, Buat Pembayaran Sekarang. So you'll be brought to the next page where you can search for the Cukai via the account number or doing a pencarian hak milik. So for this one, we're going to make the payment for the Cukai Petak. So key in the relevant information if you want to do a Cukai Petak search. So you need to key in the daerah, mukim or bandar or pekan, jenis hak milik, nombor hak milik, nombor bangunan, nombor tingkat and nombor petak. If you don't have all this information, you can just key in the account number and then click cari. And then in the next page, you'll find the hak milik, nombor account, kegunaan tanah, PT or plot or lot number, and then the keluasan tanah, the size of the land, and then also the daerah, mukim or bandar or pekan, jenis hak milik, nombor bangunan, nombor tingkat, and nombor petak. And then also the ownership information below here and also the address. So check the amount that you need to pay, where it says here Cukai Petak semasa, and then you're going to click terus ke pembayaran. You can make payment via SPX or debit or credit card. And then after you have made payment, don't forget to save the receipt and also double check that all the information are relevant and correct. So thanks for watching, and if you find today's video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more.